Welcome to the 115th episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Lalita, the distribution of action of utilizing tamogunas, the fruit of this karmacharana being distributed from Brahmagrandhi till Anahata Chakra is not just limited to the body alone, but it is beyond body. Is the essence of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Let us move on. Next nama is Sruti Simanta Sindhuri Kruta Padabja Dhulika. This is one sloka, one nama. The residual dirt from feet transformed into saffron radiance and being distributed till the physical boundaries of the world. This is an extraordinary nama describing the incarnation of sixth form of Super Soul or Parashurama, the extraordinary talented, highly volatile Parashurama, and the origin of sixth Dasamahavidya known as Matangi, the onset of beginning of Treta Yuga on planet Earth. Through the nama Varnasrama Vidhayini, 4 divisions of Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra are being made. However, this division is not an external division but based on the functioning of the internal faculties. But division based on the functioning of internal faculties, Kshatriya are predominantly filled with Rajoguna qualities. Such Kshatriya community in Treta Yuga violated their natural qualities and behaved like demons practicing Tamoguna. Kartavirya, Vali, Trisanku and Vishwamitra to some extent are prime examples for this hypothesis. They have extended their dominance even on neutral elements or sages. That is against the nature of Kshatriyas. The negative energy in Kshatriya surpassed the threshold limit. Reason for this is Kartavirya, Vali, Vishwamitra and Trisanku. This led to the imbalance in the wheel of dharma of Kshatriya or Kshatriya dharma. Brahmana had to bear the brunt of this imbalance. As a result, the wheel of dharma or Brahmana dharma chakra was damaged. Due to the excessive tamoguna of Kshatriya, wheel of Kshatriya dharma community was damaged, and that further affected the wheel of Brahmana dharma. And as a whole, wheel of dharma was strained in Treta Yuga. This crisis situation teaches us the following. A machine that is functioning normally can be easily driven to the state of malfunctioning. That means it's easy to cause a machine to break down. However, to repair a malfunctioning machine requires a skill. It's not that easy. The excessive impatience exhibited by Kshatriya against their natural quality by killing Jamadagni, the neutral element, required a serious fix. Parashurama, the sixth incarnation of Super Soul, volunteered to fix this problem by erasing the excessive impatience characteristics from Kshatriya community till the boundaries of the earth. That's why Shruti Simanta. Simanta. Sima is the region, Anta is the boundary of the region. Sindhuri is the bloodshed. Sindhuri Kruta. Hence the Nama read as Shruti Simanta Sindhuri Kruta Padabja Dhulika. He has erased these excessive tamoguna qualities from Kshatriya community for 21 generations. A complete whitewash, a complete, not whitewash, it's a blood wash, a complete erasing without trace from their genes. This was a massacre. This was a bloodshed. The fruits of excess baggage of tamoguna of Kshatriya was subsequently transferred to Mother Earth. That means this Kamacharana, fruit of this Kamacharana was given to Mother Earth. By passing this huge burden onto Mother Earth, Parasurama laid the foundation for Ramavatara. However, Parasurama did not kill the entire Kshatriya community. Those who are responsible for causing this imbalance to the wheel of Dharma, only their families were massacred for 21 generations. In other words, Parasurama followed what Krishna has said in Bhagavad Gita, Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya dushkrutam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Parasurama only erased only the proportion of imbalance in Kshatriya communities. He did not touch the Ikshvaku dynasty nor Janaka dynasty. The bloodshed Parasurama indulged in earned him as arrogant, volatile, and angry personality. But if he had followed what Krishna had preached in Bhagavad Gita, we should acknowledge him as not guilty. So let us return to this number 21. What is the significance of 21? Previous incarnation, which was Vamana Avatara, while trampling Bali Chakravarti to Patala, assumed an energy form known as Trivikrama Avatara. Potana, in his Bhagavata, describes this scene in an eye-catching manner as follows. Intintai vatudintai, Mariyu danintai, Nabhovidi painantai, Toyada mandala brahmuna, Kallantai, Prabharasi painantai, Chandrunikantai, Druni painantai, Maharvati painantai, Satyapadonnatun daguchu, Brahmandanta samvardhiyai. This is an extraordinary imagination by Potana. The scaling effects, aptly described as Vamana, scaled up his dimensions extending across the universe. This form is known as Trivikrama Avatara. To this astronomical scale of energy form, Jambavanta, the king of bear community, he did 21 pradakshanas or 21 circles. This was narrated by Jambavanta himself in Ramayana Kishkinda Kanda. While motivating Hanuma to leapfrog Indian Ocean, Jambavanta narrates his own story that happened in Kruta Yuga during Vamana Avatara. Various orders of faculties, intellect, discretion, personality and mind, the various orders of these faculties are factorial 4, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 124. Out of these, the contents corresponding to 21 orders of faculties have been erased. The remaining 3 orders of contents were filled up in 3 Gandhis or knots of Kshatriya community by Parasurama. These contents in three granthis or knots were subsequently transformed into their sattva, raja, tamo gunas. That is Kshatriya's sattva, raja, tamo gunas. And these were evaporated through karmacharana. And in this process, Parasurama erased the signature of impatience that was prevailing in Kshatriya community genetically. So, what is the role of Matangi in all this? The Dasamahavidya form. Matangi means having Tamoguna as higher proportion. Mata word, if reversed, it becomes Tama. Therefore, Matangi means the Dasamahavidya form that empties the Tamogunas associated with impatience of Kshatriya. In other words, saturation of Tamoguna. So Parasurama applied Matangi Vidya technique and restored the balance in Kshatriya community. Now let us see how we can unearth the number 21 from this nama, that is Shruti Simanta Sindhurikruta Padabjadulika. Through Sahasrasisha Vadana, Shodasha Vidya entered, and with it the number 16. Through Sahasrapath, Bhuvaneshwari Vidya, and the number 17. Through Abrahmakita Janani, Chinnamasta Vidya, and the number 18. Nijagna Rupa, Dhumavati Vidya, and number 19. Punya Punya Phalaprada, number 20 has entered. And through the nama Shruti Simanta Sindhurikruta Padabjadulika, the next nama after Punya Punya Phalaprada, Matangi Vidya, and with it the 21, number 21 has entered. So in this sequence, Sahasrakshi and Varnashram Vidhayini, the two namas that terminated with E, were not being counted as they are incomplete. So that's how this number 21 has signifies, this nama signifies number 21. Through this nama, Shruti Simanta Sindhuri Kruta Padabjadurika, Kurma Pushta Jayashnu Prapadanvita entered planet Earth. So what does Shruti Simanta Sindhuri Kruta Padabjadulika mean? Matangi energy form with Nijagna Rupa Nigama as faculty of intellect, Punya Punya Phalaprada as faculty of discretion, and Shruti Simanta Sindhuri Kruta Padabjadulika as faculty of personality. That means having Vamana, faculty of intellect, and faculty of discretion of Vamana, and having faculty of personality of Kshatriya, that drives away the impatience among the Kshatriya community. So remaining namas we will explore in the next episode. Thank you.